And now we will move on to the definition of the investment, which was given by various people. Various people has defined the investment. Out of the several definitions, what we have taken two definitions into this class to make you easily understand, right? So definition we have to learn as it is. Let us learn what is the meaning of definition, which is given here. An investment is the purchase of goods that are not consumed today but are used in the future to create wealth. Okay. So, what is the reason? What is the investment is? It is about the purchase of goods or purchase of financial assets or purchase of property or purchase of whatever it is. So, as we purchase, we are not consuming the money or consuming the goods. So, we purchase it so that we do not consume it and we want to use it in the future so that it creates wealth for us. That is called as investment. I can also give some examples here. There are certain people, I mean to say that the farmers who produce durables, for example, we say that red chilies. I see many people in Guntur and other places, they grow red chilies. And now what they do is, as they grow the red chilies, they will not sell that in the market, open market. Now they foresee that the demand for these particular chilies will be higher in the days to come. What they do is they store their product produce in some cold storages, and as and when the demand for this product arises in the future or its prices increases in the future, they sell at a higher prices in the market at that time. So then we say it is also a type of investment in commodities. We say that investment in commodities, right? So some other definition about the investment was given by Donald Fisher, Roland Jordan. These two people are the they are the great people in the area of finance. So they have given various concepts and they were being rewarded with great. They were honored with some great degrees for their contribution in the area of finance. Who? Donald Fisher and Ronald Jordan. So in their opinion, what is the definition of investment? We will see now. Investment is a commitment, employment of funds made in the expectation of some positive rate of return. If the investment is properly undertaken, the return will commensurate with the risk that the investor assumes. It's the same. In fact, whomever in this world, the definitions which they have given some with some perspective, but the meaning around the definition, they are one and the same. What is that? We sacrifice the funds with some expectations of returns in the future. Okay. So that was given by Mr. Fisher as well as Jordan, but the perspective of giving the definition is a bit different. We'll see now. Investment is employment of funds with the expectation of some positive returns in the rate of return. If the investment is properly undertaken, if it is properly made. So here the meaning of properly made is very, very important. You have to make an investment analysis before making a investment. Thorough investment analysis you have to do. It's not just rule of thumb comes here. You cannot follow the rule of thumb while making an investment. It's not that gut feelings will give you a positive returns. Luck has to be there when you are making a gut investment. Okay. So what is that you have to do? Thorough analysis you have to undertake so that you should satisfy yourself. Yes, this is a very good investment. I should make an investment, right? So if you make an investment considering the risk appetite what you have, naturally it's going to give you the better returns, expected returns, as per your expectations. That was given by Mr. Donald Fisher as well as Ronald Jordan, right? So these two definitions talks about the importance and the reason of making an investment, right?